Hello, my name is Patricia, and today I'm going to tell you about my 2 sessions prepared for the class of the Aicole Higher Technician in Promotion of Equality. In the module of prevention of gender violence, I'm following the Aicole framework. The contents we are going to study are related to gender violence and its types. These are physical violence, sexual violence, psychological violence. It is important that students learn this concept and know how to identify a situation of gender violence. This is not only useful for their training and work, but also for our personal life. The objectives in these 2 sessions will be the following. 1. To know how to identify what gender violence is and the type of gender violence existing today. 2. To raise awareness and sensitize students to this problem. On the other hand, with respect to the linguistic objective, the aim is for students to learn new vocabulary related to this topic and to be able to use it tomorrow if necessary. Since a situation and intervention of gender violence which against women could arise. In the different activities presented, the students work on different skills: oral communication, listening, reading, and also writing. They have to exchange opinions, read texts, watch videos, prepare texts. We see how the session range from easy to more complicated. We start with listening and reading and end with communication, speaking, and creation, which is the most complicated. In this occasion, I have chosen role-playing, which consists of interpreting different situations of gender violence, and the rest of the class must know how to identify them. I have chosen this activity because I think it covers a lot of learning. From reading comprehension and oral communication in terms of language skill to the acquisition of new concepts and content. Okay, to evaluate the student, we will use a rubric that will be given to them from the beginning. This rubric will evaluate 1. Individual participation of students in all activities. 2. Creativity in the activities done. 3. Respect toward colleagues. 4. All members of the group speak. 5. Is responsible for the part of the work assigned. With this, I have reached the end. I have been a little slow because the language is not mine. I hope I have expressed myself well and that the concepts have been clear. Before I go, I would like to say my favorite phrase, which I hope will motivate you too. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involved me and I learned. This is Benjamin Franklin. Thank you very much.